So now we have our username and password. We finished creating our account. So we're now going to see how we can log in and enroll into some courses. So it's not difficult. Since we have username and password, once you open your app, when you open your app, you see login. If you're using smartphone, once you open the app, top you see login. Then if you are using desktop or iPhone, as you open it on your browser, it will appear like this. You will see the login. So just click on the login, type your username you choose, then enter your password. Then you click on login. Make sure you are not logged in anywhere else. Your details is correct. So it's coming. So when you log in, this is your dashboard. 0 courses, 1 quiz, 6 units. So once you've logged in, this is your dashboard. You have activity, profile, notification, forums, body drive, my history, settings, achievements. You click on more, you get ranks and points. So that's your dashboard. Okay, so first of all, we want to learn. That's why we register account. So you have to enroll. So as you know, the courses cost 20 cedis a month. Intensive teaching. If we're in GSS 1, GSS 2, GSS 3, SS1, SS2, SS3, we teach you the EMS, the English, Maths and Science exclusively. Then we also add other programs we call Learning to Learn, the Untold Secret of the First Class Student, which will help you to improve your memory, to retain everything you learn. You add everything and you have access to them for just 20 cedis a month. If you're in GSS, it's 15 cedis a month. If you're in secondary school, it's 20 cedis a month. You subscribe and you are learning. You can subscribe and try it. If it's not okay, you leave it. But I bet once you subscribe and you start learning, you're not going to regret it. Intensively, we are going to take you from if it's GSS1, from the basic to the advanced, take your account to explain it based on the syllabus. We're going to teach it step by step. And the videos are already there, always there. You can always watch them. You can ask questions. It will be answered for you. Your fellow student will help you answer it. The teachers are there to help you. So 20 cedis is very affordable and you have to try it. You have to invest highly in your education. So to do that, since we have created our account and we've registered, all we need to do is to click on register courses. Click on register courses. So when you click on register courses, the next place is enroll into courses. So you see EMS, that's English, Maths and Science, GSS1, GSS2, GSS3, SS1, SS2, SS3. So if you are in let's say you are in SS2, you click enroll now. Enroll now. So you enroll this EMS, SS3, English, Maths and Science. So the courses that you are going to get for the 20 cedis that you are enrolling is you have access to English language, you have access to chemistry, you have access to physics, you have access to biology, you have access to agricultural science, and you have access to mathematics, SS3. Yes. So just click on add to cart. Yeah, that's where you're going to click. So once you've added to cart, if you bought a coupon from our marketers or you have a coupon, you just type the coupon code here and you click apply. This price will go to 0.00, which means you will not pay. You have already paid. But if you do not bought coupon, it means you are going to pay with mobile money, MTN mobile money. Yeah. So or Vodacash. So after you've selected added to carts, you proceeded, you come here. If you have coupon, as I told you, you enter your coupon code, you click apply coupon. If you don't have a coupon code, you click proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout. So on the next page, your name, if it is not there, you have to check it. Billing address, you have to type your name, your last name, your company name is optional. The country where you're from, if it's Ghana, you select Ghana. If it's Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If it's US, you select US. You enter your details. You select your county. County is state. If you are in Ghana, if you are in Central, you type Central Region. Ghana, the zip code is 0233. You can put it there. You type your phone number, your email address, and then the payment option is mobile money. Pay with mobile money. Yeah. So it's cash on delivery by mobile money. So yes, cash on delivery, mobile money, that's it. So you place order. Just click on the place order. If you are from Nigeria or if you are from other countries, okay. Okay. This is Central. Then it's postal code 0233. Okay, let's go. Okay, so if you are from Nigeria or from the rest of the world, then it's USD. You see the option. You see there's an option for to pay through paper. So you use your credit card to pay through paper. Yeah, that's it. So you take press order. When the press order, it will load and the order will be placed. If it is paper, it will take you to the paper website and then you enter your card details and all those things, and then you confirm your token. You count your phone, you enter your token, you confirm, and then it's come. That's through paper. But for Ghana, mobile money is supported. Just click on the place your order, then when order is received, So thank you. Your order has been received. Order number is 1234. December 30, 2019. Total is this, cash on delivery. So send payment to the following numbers. It's MTN, Vodafone. Then use your order number as the reference. That is it. When you send the payment to MTN or Vodafone, these numbers here only. Then you select use this order number here as the reference number and you make the payment. So once admin or the staff receive it, the account will be activated instantly. And these are the courses that you are subscribing, and it is for 4 weeks, 2 days, that's 1 month. So course subscribed for 4 weeks. So yes, so it's waiting for admin approval. That's it. Once the payment is confirmed, your courses will be subscribed instantly. If you pay through paper, the courses will be subscribed instantly. That's it. So next, I'm going to show you how you learn once your account has been approved and your courses have been activated. How you can start learning, how you can participate in quiz, how you can learn, how you can ask questions, how you can answer assignments and all those things. See you in the next tutorial.